Yep, there's always a Lebanese restaurant around. Good morning, everyone. Last day in my solo adventure tour. I must say it's quite a contrast from the initial 4 days where I was in the countryside, where I was far away from anything that's got to do with proper phone signal, with the hustle and bustle of the city life, with the noises, but also with the life and the aliveness that comes with it. In today's video, I shall show you different historic landmarks, mostly in the old part or the old town of Quebec City. As a reminder, Quebec City is the capital city of the province of Quebec. And today I'll be taking you to the very old part of the town, the touristic part. We're gonna take the funicular and I'm gonna take you somewhere around the Abraham Plains, more on this alongside the video, and also on Parliament Hill, and hopefully a visit to the General Assembly or the National Assembly of Quebec. As for now, let's head out. Today's weather is overcast. It's 18 degrees, which is ideal for a long day spent walking. Not much sweat. So there is a fresh breeze. And the fact that it's kind of overcast makes it easier, so there's gonna be less squinting down the camera. Just gotta love the vibrance of the city. There's something about it. As much as I love to disconnect and go into nature or go to the countryside, in my case, since I am very urban, there's just enough I can take of that. I need the busyness of the city as much as I need, for my well-being, physical and mental, the calm of the countryside. This is the man with whom everything began. This is Samuel de Champlain, the founder of the city of Quebec. The exact date for that would be July the 3rd, 1608. This is when he established what will become one of the first cities to develop in what became Canada. Samuel de Champlain was an explorer sent by the king, the king of France. He was not the first one, there was Jacques Cartier before him, but he's the first to establish that which will become in the future Quebec, the French-speaking province of Quebec. Today Quebec hosts around 550,000 population, and since 1985 the city of Quebec has been a World Heritage Site on the UNESCO. It's around 95% French speaking. I mean, it's the capital of the French province of Quebec. And here's Louis XIV. And here we're in the heart of the Old Quebec. You can smell medieval, you can feel medieval. It has been like that for the past 400 years or so. I really love these cramped old places. It just gives you a feel of how people were actually living there. This is one part of the town I love, and I'm gonna try my best in a while to use the funicular in order to get up ahead. If not, in any case, we're gonna just enjoy the beautiful cachet of the city. I mean, this is Old East. Now here's my dilemma. If I don't take the funicular, I'll be missing on most of the high staircase, which is another part I love. There are artisans, there are places. So I think I'll end up walking, skipping the funicular, and enjoying every step we take together. So I think we're gonna be walking the staircase and enjoy the scenery. I'm gonna take you on a little time lapse with me. So this straight line is literally why I love coming here. All the way down, and now going all the way up. That's another very steep uphill climb. And this is part of the fortress of the city of Quebec, the ones we saw yesterday in the movie. And the ones we're gonna go beyond today to the Plaine d'Abraham, or the Plains of Abraham, in order to show you where the massive final battle took place between the English and the French that sealed the fate of what was to become the province of Quebec. More stairs, and even more stairs. If it's not an uphill climb in nature for a hike, I choose cities and towns where there are lots of stairs.